Recycling is the key to the clean future of our planet. This is the heading of the giant article in the Save the Planet magazine. The article tells us about what recycling is and why it is good for the planet. According to the author of the article, almost everything can be recycled and reused. Sometimes we do not even understand that a brand new item bought in the boutique is made of the recycled materials. The problem of waste is very important nowadays. One of the ways of solving this problem is recycling. Basically, recycling is when the waste is turned into some new material that can be reused afterwards. For example, you buy a fleece hoodie with some strange chasing arrows on the label. This sign means that the item you bought was made from the recycled materials. So let's have a look at some words. Recycling. Переработка. Loop. Круг, кольцо. Chase. Преследовать. Arrow. Стрелка. Process. Процесс. Truck. Грузовик. Sorting. Сортировка. Manufactured. Произведенный. Consumer. Потребитель. Complete. Завершать. Fleece. Fleece. Display. Показывать. Conserve. Сохранять, сберегать. Precious. Ценный, драгоценный. Resources. Ресурсы. Eliminate waste. Ликвидировать отходы. Landfill. Свалка. Driving force. Движущая сила.